Best Beginner Adventure Motorcycle 2025 Honda XL750 Transalp. The adventure motorcycle market is expanding rapidly, and for 2025, Honda brings back an iconic name with the XL750 Transalp, a perfect blend of versatility, performance, and approachability for beginner adventure riders. This midweight ADV bike offers a balanced mix of power, comfort, and technology, making it an excellent choice for new riders looking to explore both highways and rugged trails. A perfect entry into adventure touring. Honda has revived the Transalp name to cater to riders who want an adventure bike that is both manageable and capable. Positioned between the CRF300L Rally and the larger Africa Twin, the XL750 Transalp delivers a well-rounded package with modern features, an easy-to-ride nature, and a reliable performance record that Honda is known for. Performance and engine. Powering the XL750 Transalp is a 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, derived from the latest Honda Hornet. Producing around 90 horsepower, it provides smooth and linear power delivery, making it easy to handle for beginners while still offering enough grunt for experienced riders. The 6-speed transmission is complemented by a slipper clutch, ensuring smooth downshifts and preventing rear-wheel lockup on technical terrains. Lightweight and adventure-ready design. Despite being a midweight adventure bike, the XL750 Transalp maintains a reasonable weight of around 208 kilograms, 458 pounds wet, making it accessible for new riders. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels provide excellent off-road stability, while the long travel Showa suspension and high ground clearance allow for confident riding on rough terrains. Technology and features. Honda has equipped the XL750 Transalp with modern technology to enhance the riding experience. It features a full-color TFT display, LED lighting, and multiple ride modes: rain, standard, sport, gravel, and customizable. The Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) offers traction control and wheelie control, providing added confidence for beginner riders. Switchable ABS allows for safer off-road riding, while a USB charging port ensures convenience on long journeys. Comfort and ergonomics. Designed for long-distance adventure riding, the XL750 Transalp offers a comfortable seat height of approximately 850 mm, 33.5 inches, accommodating a wide range of riders. The upright riding position and wide handlebars provide excellent control, while the adjustable windscreen helps reduce wind buffeting during high-speed rides. Affordability and competition. Priced around $10,500, the XL750 Transalp remains an affordable alternative to larger ADV bikes like the Africa Twin and KTM 890 Adventure. It competes directly with models like the YAMAHA Tenere 700 and Suzuki V-Strom 800D, offering a balanced mix of power and beginner-friendly handling. Honda's extensive dealership network ensures easy maintenance and support worldwide. Conclusion: the best beginner ADV bike for 2025? With its powerful yet manageable engine, adventure-ready design, and advanced features, the Honda XL750 Transalp stands out as one of the best beginner-friendly adventure motorcycles for 2025. Whether you're a new rider seeking a reliable midweight ADV bike or an experienced adventurer looking for a capable and affordable option, the XL750 Transalp is a solid choice for tackling both pavement and off-road trails.